Thought I'd show you a recipe for oatmeal prepared with wholesome ingredients and cooked on a coffee maker. So what I have here is sea salt, 2 cups of water, and about a half a cup, I don't know if you can see this, it's kind of whited out because of the light, half a cup of steel cut oats. Okay, as you can see, got my grain grinder all ready, and over here is oat groats. And this is what they look like for people who've never used whole grains before. Okay, this is the result. Basically steel cut oats. About a half a cup. Okay, so basically this recipe calls for, as I said before, 2 cups of water, a teaspoon or 2 of sea salt, and half a cup of rolled oats or steel cut oats. I prefer mine fresh ground. But anyway, you just simply mix the ingredients in a container that you're going to cook it in. Make sure that it'll fit onto the coffee machine. I'm using a porcelain camp cup, generally known as granite ware. They're pretty common in some of the larger sporting goods stores. I got this one at Gander Mountain. I think they go about $5-6 a piece. They're worth it. This cup here is probably close to 10 years old. But anyway, you mix the cold ingredients, and you can either heat them on a stove until it's steaming, and then put it onto the in the cup and onto the coffee machine, or you can just start cold. But anyway, you want to cover it so that the steam will not escape so much, and this will hasten the cooking time. And you want to stir this about every 10 minutes or so. I use a flat-edged wooden spoon so I don't chip the porcelain, and just stir it, like I said, every 10-15 minutes until it starts to look like this. And then you simply continue to cook it without the top. And at this point, you can probably stir it, again, once every 15 minutes or so, until it starts to get really thick, and then you got yourself a good, healthy cup of actually 2 or more cups of oatmeal. Any king of old would greatly appreciate this meal. It's healthy, filling, nutritious, and being that you used a coffee machine to cook it, relatively cheap to prepare. And if you use your own grains like I do and grind them, it's even cheaper. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks.